Supplements claiming to reverse aging sounds like a dream, and Jovi Nutrition Glow Plus says it supports skin, energy, hair, and joints, even cellular aging. But does it actually work, or is it just marketing hype? Let's break it down. So Glow Plus is a daily beauty support gummy that combines things like liposomal NAD plus precursors, multi-type collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, resveratrol, and vitamin C into one peach-flavored formula. The brand markets itself as a way to support energy, cellular health, skin hydration, hair strength, and joint comfort from the inside out. Here's the science that lies inside. Collagen peptides have some evidence for supporting skin elasticity and joint comfort when taken consistently over time. Those results are generally subtle. Antioxidants like resveratrol and vitamin C help fight oxidative stress, which is linked to aging at the cellular level. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid can support skin hydration, at least indirectly. When users share the routine use over weeks felt like improvements in hydration or nail strength, which lines up with how these nutrients work. But let's be real, no supplement truly reverses aging. While NAD plus precursors and collagen may support some markers of aging, the idea of turning back the clock is not scientifically proven. Cellular aging is complex and influenced by diet, sleep, sun exposure, genes, and more. Reddit and expert comments on anti-aging supplements generally warn that many products are marketing heavy and that true anti-aging effects tend to be minimal or take long-term lifestyle changes. Most evidence for oral collagen and similar nutrients shows supportive effects like hydration and elasticity rather than dramatic wrinkle reversal or structural skin change. So does Jovi Nutrition Glow Plus reverse aging? Not in any magical sense. Ingredients can support skin hydration, collagen's production, and cellular health over time, which may help some people look and feel better, but there's no scientific proof that it reverses aging or dramatically rewinds time. Think of it as a supportive supplement, not a miracle cure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.